In this video, I'll be demonstrating serial dilution. In serial dilution, you must have a stock solution you want to carry out serial dilution. Now, in this case, I have 2000 milligram per liter stock solution, which is 2000 ppm stock solution. You must have a stock solution. And then I have 400 ml volumetric flask. Now, the volumetric flask you are trying to use for the serial dilution must have the same or similar volume. They have to be the same volume. In this case, I'm using 100 ml volumetric flask. Now, I'm taking 10 ml of the stock solution, 2000 ppm. I'll transfer the 10 ml to the second volumetric flask, which has about 50 ml of distilled water. After I've transferred the 10 ml of the 2000 ppm stock solution into it, what I will do, I will make it up to the mark with distilled water. By that, I have been able to carry out the first dilution first of the series. Now I'm transferring it now. Exactly 10 ml of the stock solution. Okay. Yeah, that is it now. That is it. That is it now. Now I'll now make it up with distilled water. Make it up to the mark with distilled water now. I have to bend down to avoid the error of parallax. Now my eyes has to be perpendicular to the mark while I do the adjustments of distilled water to the mark. Now I've done that. It has to be properly mixed. It has to be properly mixed, because from this second solution I'll be taking the next measurement to make the next solution. So it has to be properly mixed. I have to shake it, invert it over and over to be sure that it is homogeneous before I prepare the next solution. Now I'm going to take 10 ml of this second solution and to be transferred to the third volumetric flask. Wash. Remember, only or exactly 10 ml of the stock solution was used to prepare the second solution. Now I'm taking exactly 10 ml again from the second solution into the third volumetric flask. That is why it is called serial dilution. Now the next dilution, you have not taken from the original solution, which is the stock solution. You don't take it from the stock solution. Take from the second solution you have prepared. The same thing when you want to prepare the third solution, fourth solution, you take it from the third solution you have prepared. Now I prepared the third solution right now. Now I'm making it up to the mark with the distilled water now. The mark has to be perpendicular to your eye. Avoid the error of parallax. Okay, that is done already to the mark. I will now mix it now to make sure it is homogeneous. Yes. Now I believe it is properly mixed. Now it's ready for the next dilution. I'm going for the third dilution. Now I take from the third elementary flour or the third solution to be transferred to the fourth elementary flour. Watch. Don't forget exactly 10 ml of the solution. 10 ml transferred into it. Okay. Yes. Okay now. The next thing is to make it up to the mark again with distilled water. Please be careful while making up to the mark. Be careful. Okay. Yes. It's there. Okay. That is not up to it. Okay. Then to be mixed now. To be mixed properly. It's mixed. Okay. That is the fourth solution now. Now we have the blank right here at the last one. Now that is to compare. Now all the solutions are prepared. This process is called serial dilution because in each of the dilution you take from the solution before it. The first solution is prepared from the stock solution. The second solution is prepared from the first solution prepared, and then the third solution is prepared from the second solution prepared, and then the fourth solution is prepared from the third solution. That is why it is called serial dilution. The volume taken is definite, uniform. The volume of the flour used is definite, uniform. It is serial dilution. You can see the concentration in the stock solution used to prepare this first solution, then the second solution, then the third solution, that is the plan. Okay? Yes. You've been able to prepare or carry out a serial dilution from the 2000 ppm or 2000 milligram per liter solution. Now look at the picture of all the flags. You can see the range of concentration. This is 2000 ml per liter, rather 2000 milligram per liter. This is 200 milligram per liter. This is 20 milligram per liter. The last one is 2 milligram per liter. These are the concentrations. You can see yes, these are the concentrations. Then the last one is the flat. Aesthetical. As you look at it, this one is 1/5. This one is 1/50. This 1/500. This 1/5000. And the last is a blank. You'll see. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button for the next upload.